Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. This is my snake plant, and it has been growing in this pot for a very long time. Because the pot has become too tight, the root system no longer has enough space to grow, causing the plant to grow slowly and lose vitality. In today's video, I will share with you a completely new repotting method that not only helps the plant grow healthier, but also creates a beautiful modern planter for home decoration. The special thing is that we only use very simple materials that are easy to find and inexpensive. Even if you are a beginner in gardening, you can easily do this at home. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any tips about plant care, planting, and propagation on the Great Garden channel. Let us get started. To repot the plant, first gently remove it from the pot. Next, remove the old soil that is still attached around the roots. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Then, take the plant and rinse it under clean running water. This helps remove dirt, old soil, and impurities attached to the roots, while also making the root system cleaner and easier to inspect for damaged roots that need treatment. Wash very gently to avoid damaging healthy young roots so the plant can recover better after repotting. Place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight or in a place with only gentle light. This allows the plant to dry naturally, helps any cuts heal faster, reduces stress, and creates favorable conditions for the roots to recover before entering a new growth stage. While waiting, I will prepare a solution to clean and treat the plant before repotting. First, I use baking soda. Baking soda is mildly alkaline and is commonly used by gardeners to help clean plant surfaces and limit the growth of certain harmful organisms. Prepare 1 liter of clean water, then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, use a spoon to stir until the baking soda dissolves completely in the water. Stirring well helps make the solution more uniform and ensures the ingredients are evenly distributed before use. When the plant has dried naturally, I soak the entire stem and root system in the prepared baking soda solution. This helps clean the plant, disinfect the surface of the stem and roots, and remove any impurities left after processing the plant before repotting. Soak the plant for about 30 minutes. While waiting, process the stone growing medium. Here, I have a container of stones as shown in the video. Stones help anchor the roots, improve airflow around the plant, and reduce the risk of waterlogging around the base. In addition, stone-growing medium allows roots to access air more easily, creating favorable conditions for plant growth. Besides that, growing plants with stones also provides high aesthetic value, making the planter look cleaner, more modern, and more attractive in living spaces. Continue using baking soda to clean the stones. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda into a clean container, then add 1 liter of clean water. Use a spoon to stir until the baking soda dissolves completely. Stirring well helps distribute the solution evenly and clean the stones more effectively. Next, pour all the stones into the baking soda water and soak them for 15 minutes. This helps remove dust, residue, and impurities remaining on the stone surfaces before using them for planting. After about 15 minutes, remove all the stones and spread them evenly on a clean tray. This allows excess water to drain, removes remaining impurities, and helps you inspect for cracked or damaged stones. Clean and well-ventilated stones create a more favorable environment for root growth after planting. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Now, we have the growing medium ready. After about 30 minutes, remove the plant from the baking soda solution. Next, use a soft cloth or clean paper towel to gently dry any remaining moisture on the stem, leaves, and roots. Be careful to avoid damaging healthy roots or leaves. This removes excess solution from the plant and helps keep the plant dry and well ventilated before placing it in the new growing medium. In addition, this step helps the root system adapt better to the new environment and creates favorable conditions for recovery after repotting. After preparing both the growing medium and the snake plant, we will prepare a pot as shown in the video. This pot does not have drainage holes, so special attention must be paid to watering amounts during care. The advantage of this type of pot is that it retains moisture longer and offers high aesthetic value. First, spread a layer of stones at the bottom of the pot. This layer creates a space for excess water to collect, improves airflow for the roots, and reduces the risk of waterlogging. Next, place the plant in the center of the pot so it stands upright and the roots are evenly distributed without being compressed. Then, add more stones around and above the roots to secure the plant, helping it stand firmly while improving the appearance of the pot. That is it. We have completed the planting process. The plant now has a cleaner, more breathable environment that is more favorable for recovery and healthy growth. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. At this point, you only need to pour a small amount of clean water into the bottom of the pot. Be careful not to let the water reach the stem or base of the plant. Keep the water only beneath the stone layer. This helps maintain necessary moisture while reducing the risk of root rot. As the water gradually evaporates, the plant will absorb moisture slowly, creating favorable conditions for root development and stable growth. Place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight, so it has time to rest and adapt to the new environment. This helps reduce stress after repotting, limits water loss, and creates favorable conditions for the roots to stabilize and recover quickly. After 3 to 5 days, when the plant has stabilized, we will prepare a fertilizer solution to support growth. The first ingredient I use is rice. Rice contains small amounts of B vitamins, minerals, and natural organic compounds that are beneficial for plant growth. add 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass cup. The next ingredient I use is oats. Oats contain minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, along with many natural organic compounds that help support root development and plant growth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oats together with the rice. Then pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to help extract nutrients from the rice and oats more effectively. Use a spoon to stir until the rice and oats mix well in the water. Stirring helps distribute the nutrients and organic compounds evenly, while supporting the extraction process. Finally, cover the cup and let the solution steep for about 1 hour, so the nutrients have time to dissolve into the water before use. After 1 hour, when the solution has cooled completely, strain out all the rice and oat residue, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid. This liquid is the natural solution we will use to care for the plant, helping provide moisture and a small amount of beneficial nutrients for growth. Add 500 milliliters of clean water to dilute the solution. Now, the solution is ready to support the plant. Pour the rice and oat solution into a spray bottle, then gently mist the stem, leaves, and base of the snake plant. If this video helps you better understand how to properly care for your plants, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. Misting helps maintain light moisture while providing a small amount of natural nutrients to the leaf surface. When used regularly, the plant will become greener, grow more steadily, and maintain a healthier appearance. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Pour any remaining solution into another clean spray bottle and store it in the refrigerator. This way, you can store the solution for 5 to 7 days without making a new batch, saving time, effort, and ingredients during plant care. When needed, simply take out the solution and gently spray the plants you want to care for. This is a simple and convenient method, especially suitable for busy people who still want to maintain a healthy green garden. Regular spraying helps provide the plant with nutrients in a gentle way, while also keeping the leaves clean and fresh. When the leaf surface is clean and well ventilated, the plant can photosynthesize more efficiently, which promotes healthier growth. In addition, this method allows you to care for your plants quickly, without spending too much time preparing each time. Results. After being replanted using this method, the snake plant not only has a more breathable growing environment, but also becomes a beautiful decorative item for living spaces. You can place the plant on a coffee table, work desk, bookshelf, or in the living room. The plant adds a refreshing green accent, brings a sense of connection with nature, and enhances the aesthetic appeal of the room. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to support us. Thank you for spending your time watching. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.